Hi, my name is Karina Lascalzo, and I wanted to show you this product called Kaggle. It's actually a mind mapping tool. So what is a mind map? A mind map is an instructional tool that uses colors, symbols, branches to show relationships between concepts. And this provides students with a very visual representation of the learning material. The map begins with the central concept and branches off from there. Actually, authors, including Kocherlakota et al. In 2013, indicated mind mapping can create a more active learning environment, increase creativity, and make connections which can improve memory. This concept was supported by Ying et al. In 2017, who conducted a survey looking at the use of mind mapping in pharmacology. One group studied with mind maps and the other without. The study concluded that students using mind maps had improved outcomes in all areas of the final exam. So let me just bring you down here to show you this nice table, which discusses something very important. There is a free version of this product. It is the one that I used, and it was extremely user-friendly. The free version included 3 private diagrams and an unlimited amount of public diagrams. You can share maps with others. Within the map, you can embed links, you can upload pictures. So again, very user-friendly. I'm going to bring you up top so that I can log in to my account and show you. Again, this is very simple. Okay, so this is my account. I left a map in here that was created earlier today so you can see how and where maps are stored. This, if you clicked on this and people shared some mind maps with me, you would find them there. This is a gallery, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Here you can create more folders to organize your maps a little bit better. So the gallery, this is interesting because all of the public maps are found on here. So if we put in antihypertensives, okay, all different public maps show up. Let's click on this one here, and you will see this beautiful mind map. It has the main concept in the center, the different classes of antihypertensive meds, some examples of medications within each group, some side effects. And you can come along this way. You can make things larger and smaller. Now, you can use this as a template. So you can click this button and change and add and make it your own. You can use this download button, which you can download into a PDF or an image and then maybe use it in a PowerPoint. This button here puts it into presentation mode. It kind of just cleans it up a little bit and removes all of this other bars and stuff up here. So let's go back to my main page and let me go ahead and show you how to create a diagram. So I'm going to hit create diagram, and here let's do chest pain, and okay, and let's definitely make that a little bit bigger. There we go. And now once I hit these plus signs, all kinds of arms come off. And you can put them wherever you wish. We can add some more off of here. And let's click edit. Maybe we want to put history here. And these branches here would talk about maybe the different historical questions you could ask for chest pain. Let's add here. We can put maybe physical. This is good. I can spell this morning. Template. Text formatting. You can change the text and how it's formatted. You can link to a website. So maybe you found a great website and you can link it to this word chest pain. You can add an image. There we go. Beautiful chest x-ray. Let me just show you that this one here. You can add a little icon. Maybe you want to add a heart since we're talking about chest pain. And there we go. So again, pretty easy, pretty simple to create these. Let's go back to my main page. Let's talk a little bit about potential applications, specifically in an online setting. So one of the things that I was thinking about is using this as a collaborative case-based project. Instructors could put students into groups and give them a case scenario, as you can see here. Maybe add these major arms to provide a little bit of structure for the students. And working collaboratively as a group, they could create the rest of the map. So in order to do as such, students would definitely need to use this button right here, share this coggle, and the coggle can be shared with the rest of the group. Another feature that could help in a collaborative setting is this one right here, comments and chat. So students could chat in this section, if I could hit the right button. There we go. So, and this again is all in real time. All students that this is shared with, they can change the map in any way that they feel necessary. As another potential application, instructors could use this as an assessment tool. So maybe we could have a complaint in the center, maybe abdominal pain or an actual illness like appendicitis, and just give them that central point. And then the students would have to go ahead and complete the map and submit it as an actual assessment. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation today, and thank you for your time.